guys, it's Nico. I got an unboxing today. I have my new wood grain Zora. See this wood grain, brand new. An early Christmas present from my mom. Big thanks to her. All of you Instagrammers. Big thank you to Nico and Vibes. And my mom, early Christmas present. It's great. It's just what I wanted. I'm so happy. So let's open it. Alright, so here it is. Just wood grain Zora. Really nice. Let's see. Stop. Here's it's a nice kendama. I love it. I'm so happy. It's really cool. And one thing that's really good about Zora is not only that they're made from Japan, but they're also made out of white cherry wood, which is really high quality wood. So pure, full cherry wood Zora. So there's the kendama. This is what else came in the bag. Just an extra string, and then the manual, which is in Japanese. So, and I can't read Japanese, so. Goodbye. Brand new wood grain Zora. Big thank you to my mom and to Nico and Vibe. Alright, peace. Okay.
Put the lid back on it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just going to cut the pieces of glass and I'll be up in a moment.